In 1945, a candy bar melted in a scientist's pocket, a tiny mess that would end up rewriting dinner. World War II had a new heartbeat, the cavity magnetron, small, fierce, the pulse that turned radar into power. Britain shared the secret, America scaled it fast. Back factories humming, crates moving, a war machine built at speed. After the war, Percy Spencer stood by a live test bench and felt heat on his skin that shouldn't be there. He reached into his jacket, chocolate, melted. A question sparked. If waves can melt candy, what could they do to food? First test, popcorn. In seconds, chaos. White kernels explode into a storm no stovetop could match. Then an egg. Pressure rose, pop. Steam, laughter, and a lesson. The heat was coming from the inside out. Microwaves jostle water molecules, rub, rotate. Friction becomes heat. Energy turns into warmth, invisibly fast. So he built a box to trap and tame the waves. Shielded, sealed. A safe chamber powered by a magnetron. 1947, the Raider range arrives. Liabilities, 6 feet tall, water-cooled. Almost 3,000 watts. A kitchen titan with a factory soul. Perfect for ships and diners, plates flying out in minutes. But for homes, too big and far too expensive. 2 decades of tinkering shrank the beast. In 1967, a countertop model finally put microwave power on the kitchen table. Families learned the new rhythm. Door beep, steam. DC leftovers revived in minutes. Weeknights suddenly lighter. Food makers pivoted fast. Microwave-safe trays, vented films, timed instructions. A new supply chain built for speed. Offices adopted the ritual. Lunch queues, coffee reheats, communal beeps marking the middle of the day. By the 80s, 1 in 4 US homes had one. By the late 90s, more than 90%. Microwaves don't make food radioactive. That door mesh traps the energy, and it cuts the power the instant you open it. Midnight noodles, emergency defrosts, 5-minute fixes. Microwaves compress time, gifting back minutes we spend on life. Today's ovens are smaller, safer, smarter. Sensor steam, presets, clean lines. But the idea is pure 1945. From radar to kitchen, from accident to icon. All because one candy bar couldn't handle a magnetron.